Show Mommy how you make a basket, boo-boo. It's so good. I don't know, you have to go around the other side and get it, boo-boo. No, you can't go through that net. Go around. Our moving boxes might still be in your way. Need to finish unpacking. I think we need to get you a smaller basketball net. Yay, get it! You lost a shoe, boo. Okay, show Mommy how you make a basket. Show Mommy. No, the net's over there. There you go. Show Mommy how you make a basket. Yay! Good job! Are you going to do it again? Make a basket. Oh, yay! You're so cute. Make a basket. Oh. Is that so funny? Can you try again? Show Mama how you make a basket. Uh-oh. Maybe it's you're missing one shoe. Maybe that's why you can't make it. Make a basket.